First of all, I would like to thank Madana and the entire university team for arranging this wonderful session. It is an encouraging one. Though we have been with the organization, we feel like we have been a good manager. It is indeed an eye opener for all of us to take this session. So I would encourage all to take the servant leadership program definitely. But it is not a forceful one. They have to understand the importance of this session. Definitely, after attending this session, people will get more insightful on servant leadership and the way in which what they express today. Definitely, it's going to be changed. Sure, I'm very much sure that so far I was under the impression like the way what we actually perceive as that was actually the way of leadership. But after attending the session so far, the amount of knowledge or amount of understanding or amount of thought process what we gained is very phenomenal. So it is very encouraging, and I personally urge everyone to take this session rather than a forceful session. Come out, find time. In-person sessions I would preferably attend because it is much beneficial than the online sessions. In two ways, actually, what I learned is actually, when we have the classroom sessions and then the workouts, right? The workouts that will give insight where we stand today and how do we become to change. So that is going to gain from this session. Definitely, many of the points, though we have been doing in bits and pieces, but we will understand the impact, how it will be reacted to others. So going into that aspects, and definitely it is going to be more beneficial for everyone. I would definitely encourage it has to be continued. It is continued in a meaningful way because the leaders who are upcoming leaders has to undergo this program so that they will get an insightful how they wanted to treat the community around us, people around us, and how we would like to encourage people to be in the next position. And like the sessions talks about, right, it is thinking out of the box and providing support to others who could grow than ourselves. That is one thing we would like to focus on. It will give a clear understanding as to what we need to be done in terms of the leadership program. A very good program. So far enjoyed and very, very insightful. It's not, like you mentioned, you have something to be asked us, right? These are all coming out from me because that is the learning what I have from this session.